Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video guys, I'm going to show you how to fix required password is grayed out. So if you are trying to make changes in the Apple ID settings like in media and purchases, and you see here is grayed out everything like always required password and free download required password. You cannot just turn it off or turn it on. I'm going to show you how you can fix this problem. So before we start the video, hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more upcoming videos. So first of all, click on your iPhone settings, then scroll down, click on screen time. So once you're here, scroll down, click on content and privacy restrictions, and here you will see iTunes and App Store purchases. Click on it, and as you can see here is required password is selected. Always required, you have to select don't require. So once you have selected don't require, make sure that these are allowed. Now you can go back and click on your Apple ID username, click on media and purchases. Now this time, as you can see, it's not grayed out. Now you can just turn it on and turn it off, whatever you like. So hope this video helps you. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to the channel for more upcoming videos.